In breach of contract cases, lost profits are a typical measure of damages. The idea is to put the injured party in the position it would have been in had the contract been performed. But figuring out what to include in the lost profit calculation can be tricky. Vitex Manufacturing Corporation versus Caribtex Corporation shows how one court approached that question. Vitex Manufacturing Corporation had a plant in the Virgin Islands where it processed cloth for import into the United States. In the fall of 1963, Vitex closed its plant because it had no customers. Then Caribtex Corporation contracted with Vitex to process a quantity of wool. Vitex recalled its staff, ordered the necessary supplies for the job, and reopened its plant, all in preparation to perform the contracted work. But Caribtex didn't provide the wool. Vitex sued for breach of contract. The trial court, sitting without a jury, calculated Vitex's damages for lost profits by subtracting the anticipated production costs from the expected gross profits. The trial court awarded Vitex about $21,000. Caribtex appealed the award to the Third Circuit Court of Appeals.